In this video, I will show you how to assemble your tacotune's Kryvo under Tonneau toolbox. Your kit includes all the bolts and screws you will need to assemble the toolbox. It will also include a ball end Allen wrench and a bit for an impact driver. I suggest using the impact driver bit to start the screws. Do not tighten any of the screws until all the screws are installed. Also, very important, it is easy to cross-thread metric bolts and screws. Be patient and start every screw and bolt during this complete installation process with your fingers and get at least 3 turns to ensure they are going in properly. On a flat surface, start with the 2 bottom panels and the center support panel. Arrange the bottom panels with the 3 mounting holes as shown here. Stand the bottom panels on their edge, insert the center panel, and then use the provided Allen wrench to hold the panels together. Hand start the provided screws and remember to snug them. Do not tighten any bolts at this time. Lay the bottom panels down as shown, then place the passenger side rear panel with the 3 holes into position. Use the Allen wrench to hold the panel in position while you install the passenger side end cap. Place the driver side rear panel into position. Use the Allen wrench to hold the panel while you install the driver side end cap. Remember not to tighten any bolts until all the panels are in position. Install the screws that will secure the driver side and passenger side rear panels together. Place the driver side front panel into position and install the screws. Note the position of the strut mounting holes. Place the passenger side front panel into position and install the screws. At this point, you will want to be sure you check the entire toolbox and ensure you have installed screws in all the mounting locations. Now that all your screws are in place, you can tighten each screw using an impact or the provided Allen wrench. Don't forget to tighten the screws under the toolbox. The remaining parts will be installed after the toolbox is installed in your Tundra. Additionally, you will have a number of extra bolts and screws that will not be necessary.